Hey, how's it going, YouTube family? It is K-Rad here, back out with another Cybersector Initiative Zone video for you guys today. Let's get right down to this video, and yeah, let's get this done. So, we have right here that we have the, project lab for Linux for Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate Program with add and managing users with Linux commands. So, yeah, let's get this done, and hold on. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so what we have to do right here is that we have to um, basically have a scenario with a employee with the username research9 that joins the organization. You have to add them to the system and manage their access during the time within the organization. So right here we have to start the lab. We have to add a brand new user. We obviously put in sudo user add research9. We have that added, and then after that we are going to write another command to utilize the user mod command using the -g option to add researcher9 to the group. So we have to do sudo user mod -g research underscore team researcher9. So we do that, hit enter, and then it says right here you could alternatively add the variation of user add when creating a user to perform both steps at once. So you could just do sudo user add researcher9 -g research team. So we have that down, and it already shows that we have researcher9 already being in existence to this group. So it's already shown that. So we already have that done, and that should be a check mark. So boom, we got that done. We have to assign file ownership to researcher9. So new employee researcher9 will take responsibility of project R. In this task, you must make them the owner of the project R file. Project R text file system. So file R is located in the home researcher 2 projects directory. So we have to change the ownership using the ch own command. So to make researcher9 the owner. So what we do is that we do sudo ch own researcher9 / home researcher 2 projects project R. So we do that, hit enter, and then we check our progress. That should be complete. So now we got that done. We have to add a user to a secondary group. A couple months later, this employee's role has changed. They are working in both research and sales departments. So what we have to do from here is that we have to add researcher9 to a secondary group sales team. Their primary group is still the research team, and we have to use the sudo user mod -a -g sales team for researcher9. So the reason why we do this is that we are going to use the -a and -g command to utilize a switch, I should say, coding method to change the user's permissions for researcher9 to be both in the sales team and the research team. So therefore, it's basically giving a secondary group permissions for researcher9. So as that's already done, it says right here, options for Linux commands are case sensitive, so we have to make sure it's a lowercase a and uppercase G. So therefore, it's giving, it's given like a certain user permissions additive, additive authorization to that particular user for researcher9. So after we have that done, we have to just check it, and let's just say, if we run into this next task right here, let's just say this user decided to leave the company. So obviously for this particular scenario, we are obviously having to add and remove users and give certain permissions to other users depending on their permission status. So we have to do a delete command for the user delete. So we do sudo user delete research9. So it says right here that for the error message, user delete group researcher9 not removed because it is not the primary group of user9. So it says right here, when you create a new user, a group with the same name as a user is automatically created, and the user is the only member of that group. After removing users, it is good practice to clean up any such empty groups that may remain behind. So it says run the command to delete researcher 9 group that is no longer required. So we just have to basically delete the group. We do group delete researcher 9. After that, that should be there. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I mean, if we do ls, well, actually no, I don't really think that shows anything. But basically, we already had it, set up right here, and it was already, showed to just say, like, if somebody came into like a company and they needed user access permissions, we would have to use like the user add, user mod, and user delete and ch own commands to give the user certain file permissions depending on what their role was. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this. I just wanted to make this little video to show demonstration for this. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. And peace out. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and more videos coming very, very soon. Alright, I'll see you guys. Have a good day. Bye. And also, stay safe and be free. Alright, bye.